Come on, you're ready. Alright, everyone. So, today we're going to be learning how to make some nice body shampoo. Alright?
Bath bombs.
Yep. Not really bath bombs, but I don't really know. So, we just going to pull this in and hope for the best. Alright, I got my whisk right here, and we just going to start it up. Alright, folks?
What are you trying to be, a country bumpkin?
And see?
It's Charlotte Park Day, Cody. Oh, God.
And see. We thought it was yellow, but it was actually,
What color is it?
it was actually blue. So, keep on watching, folks.